Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Standard Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in stanmore.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official website for Standard Mortgage. Now at the top section, just go ahead and click on Make a Payment. You will then be able to see the button which says Log on to your account. So just click on it and you will end up in the login portal. Now once you're in the login portal, all that's left to do is type in your username and your password. So just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password. Finally click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with Standard Mortgage. In case you forgot your username or your password, you can find the Forgot Username and the Forgot Password button underneath the login section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Standard Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.